Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
For maintaining an above-ground pool, the amount of baking soda you need depends on your pool's pH level. Generally, to raise the pH level slightly, you'll require about 1.5 pounds of baking soda per 10,000 gallons of water. Start by testing your pool's current pH level with a reliable test kit. If the pH is below 7.2, sprinkle the baking soda evenly over the pool's surface. Circulate the water for at least 6 hours to ensure even distribution. Always retest the pH level after treatment to ensure it's within the ideal range of 7.2 to 7.6.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.